Seventh grade. We are doing water catching the fire. Hi, Afia.
Dear friend Purvika.
Hey Purvika, I'll give you challenge that take this math book and write it up. Take this math book and write it up.
Oh, so easy. Give it to me. I will light up.
Hey Matt, wait, I light up with the help of the water. You want to see?
Yes, Afia. Afia, how you have done this?
What I have learned from our science teacher Rajesh Muskan ma'am.
Oh,
Let me tell you what I have added in this experiment. I have added in this experiment KMNO4 and glycerin. It combusted into the flame. See Purvika, we got fire with the help of water itself. It was magic or not?
well, of course, it's magic to us.
Thank you. To see your experiment.